What is going on, guys? Matt over at Easy Auto Spa, and today we're going to do something a little different. We have a brand new 2024 Mustang Dark-Horse edition, and we're lucky enough to not just have one. We've actually got two here at the shop at the same time. This is my first time seeing one of these vehicles in person, and as a result, I was super interested. I wanted to check it out, and we think there's a lot of people at home that might want to as well. So today we're not going to even talk about what we do. We're not going to talk about our shop. We're going to just tour this vehicle. If you are a Mustang fan, if you've been following Ford, you know about these cars coming down the pipe. If you're not, let's educate you a little bit. First off, these things are all going to be manual only. So for car enthusiasts like me, like the guys that work at our shop, like our customers, this is an incredible, incredible car. Second, it's 500 horsepower and it's naturally aspirated V8, which means if you're following at home, it's going to be incredible acceleration with no lag, with no jumpiness in between shifting up. It's going to just honestly be more like a track car. This is a vehicle that stock right out of the gate is you're going to be able to take on the road and enjoy around town. You can take to the track and you're going to definitely get some heads turning. Under the hood, this thing looks amazing. It feels amazing. It handles incredibly well. They've made a limited number of these. And so if you are in the market, if you're looking for a new Mustang, obviously you can get any Mustang on the market and they're all going to be amazing. These Dark Horses though are one of a kind. So when we look at these vehicles, you notice, honestly, Ford completely redesigned it, or close to completely redesigned it. You're going to start from the outside. It looks a lot more sleek, a lot more elegant. You get in the inside of this vehicle, it's where it's really honestly is the big step difference between last year's model to this year's model. It starts with a huge LCD screen. On this one, it's actually got two LCD screens. It's got the eyebrow that you would normally see on the dash of a Mustang. That's kind of the signature look. They've done away with that. It's a lot more flat now. It's just a really clean inside. The stitching's beautiful. It's got some really cool marker lights on it that indicate the Dark Horse. And if you think about it, we were talking about this earlier, if you think about it, modern vehicles, modern American muscle, sports cars, they've done away with most of them. You don't have the Chargers and basically done away with the Challengers and the Camaro even. This is kind of in a league of its own right now. So as a result, if you are looking for that American muscle kind of bringing up the old, but also the brand new version of it and the best of the best that's on the market, this Dark Horse is probably the vehicle for you. And if you're watching this vehicle, you may be someone who's already pre-ordered one. You've got your name on a list somewhere and you're just excited to watch this. Good luck to you when you get it. If you have any questions about what can be done to protect it, we're obviously here. We're happy to have that conversation with you. And if you get one and you want to bring it by the shop and have us take a look at it with you, we're happy to do that as well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to start sharing these with you, kind of just peek under the hood of what we look at here at the shop. We're really lucky. We get to see some really cool vehicles before most of the public does, and we feel very blessed, and we want to share that with you guys a little bit. So thanks, guys, for checking it out. Have an awesome day.